Hello and welcome to the German for Beginners class lesson 8, Useful Words part 1. In this lesson, we will have a short overview of some useful words. A few of them will be familiar to you because we already learned them in the last lessons, but there will also be a few which are new. Let's start. The first word is and in German und, but, aber, very, sehr, or, oder, und, aber, sehr, oder. The next ones are here, also, auch, both, beide, and some, etwas. Hier, auch, beide, etwas. Let's continue with only, nur, again, wieder, hopefully, hoffentlich, and between, zwischen, nur, wieder, hoffentlich, zwischen. And the next ones, therefore, deshalb, so, also, really, wirklich, and together, zusammen. Deshalb, also, wirklich, zusammen. And the last ones, all, alle, now, jetzt, already, schon, immediately, sofort, alle, jetzt, schon, sofort. This was lesson 8 with a short overview of useful words. I will see you in the next lesson where you will learn how to ask for and understand directions.